Hey guys, Marissa at kitchentablestamper.com. Today I've got a really cool project for you. Look at this awesome little nugget treat holder. It stands, and inside there's some Hershey Nuggets. I just love a cute little Hershey Nugget, don't you? Just pop them right out. It holds 3 nuggets. And it features a brand new celebration item. So starting on March 3rd, I believe, you can redeem the Well Dressed stamp set as your free gift with a $50 purchase during the final month of celebration. Now, the cool part about this particular project is this is one of the projects for my extra day Par-tay. And you're wondering what that is. The extra day Par-tay is frankly my way of bribing my customers. It's a customer appreciation event and I'm holding it on Leap Day. So whether you're an online kitchen table stamper customer or an in-person kitchen table stamper customer, you can score an invitation to the extra day Par-tay. Now, as of today, my invitations haven't gone out, but we're getting the online classroom out today. So tomorrow the invitation should go out if you've earned it. How do you earn it, you say? Well, you place an order of $50 or more in both January and February. So if you've placed your order in January and you haven't yet in February, then you're going to want to get in that qualifying celebration order before the end of the month. You can also earn an invitation to the extra day Par-tay by placing a $300 workshop. So not only will you earn the celebration rewards, one for every $50 or $100 that you purchase, but you'll also earn the host rewards and the little ladybug stamp set. Another way you could earn the extra day Par-tay, you can join the kitchenettes. Celebration is an awesome time to join Stampin' Up. So if you've thought about joining Stampin' Up, check out the kitchenettes. We'd love to have you. Kit's $99. You get $125 worth of merchandise of your choice from the current publications or clearance rack. So that's already $26 additional. There's no shipping charges on your kit. You get a free paper pumpkin, a free designer series paper pack, including some of this awesome Country Club designer series paper that we're using now, a mini paper trimmer, and any stamp set of your choice, all for just $99 plus tax. So if you've got questions about joining, I would love to answer your questions. You can email Marissa at kitchentablestamper.com. All right, so I've wrapped my nuggets for this treat while we were chatting, and I'm also going to tie some of this Country Club twine around my little library clip. You could tie a bow and stick it on with a folded up mini glue dot if you like. Also, either way, whichever works for you, we're just gonna embellish this little clip a bit. All right, so let's get that tied on there nice and tight, and we'll trim the tails. At the extra day Par-tay in person, we'll have lunch and make these 3 make and takes. And if you've earned the extra day Par-tay online, whether you're a new kitchenette or a customer, a kitchen table stamper, you'll get your choice of having the make and takes made for you or kits that'll look just like this. It'll arrive to you just this way for you to assemble. Just follow right along with the video. And with your invitation will be the question whether you want your kits to arrive as kits or as fully assembled projects. All right, so we've got our nuggets, we've got our clip. Let's take a look at the other items in the kit here. Got a piece of basic gray cardstock. This guy is 3 inches by 7 inches. Got a scrap of basic gray cardstock. That's for stamping and cutting our hats. This Country Club designer series paper, the Argyle pattern, we have 2.5 by 2 7/8 and 1 1/4 by 2 7/8. We also had the 1 by 3 strips that we used to wrap our Hershey Nuggets. I've got a starburst here. We used the starburst punch and punched that out for you from Garden Green cardstock. I've got a Whisper White circle. This is a little stitched circle using the Stitched Shapes dies. This is your second largest. That's cut from Whisper White. The last little piece in the kit is a piece of Seaside Spray cardstock, and we punched that ahead of time with the classic label punch. All right, let's do some stamping. We're using the Well Dressed stamp set for our fedora. I've got Seaside Notions for Here's to You, and I'm using witticisms for Happy Birthday. We're gonna mix and match all those parts and stamp them with Memento Tuxedo Black. So I'm stamping my Here's to You right now, and I'm gonna stamp it. It's gonna almost fill the entire label, but if you can, you wanna push it just a tiny bit to the left of center. It's gonna be a very close fit. All right, Here's to You. Then our little fedora image. The extra day Par-tay, you get to use these awesome Stampin' Up incentive sets before you can even earn them. Well Dressed is a brand new celebration stamp set, and it's available for free with a $50 purchase starting March 3rd or 4th. All right, let's clear away the Stampin' Pad and grab our Simply Score tool. Okay, we've got our basic gray piece in on the 7-inch side in the Simply Score tool, and we're gonna score at 1 3/8, at 1 7/8, at 3 1/4, and at 3 3/4. Let's work this piece with a bone folder. All right, I've got all my scores done. The next thing we're going to do is add some tear and tape. We're going to add tear and tape on the front side of our end panel. I like to do like a equal sign. That's going to come in, adhere to the back, and make our little pocket for our nuggets, our little slide for our nuggets. Now before we go any further, let's grab our Argyle Designer Series paper and some snail adhesive. And let's add our Designer Series paper while our box is still flat. So on the same side as the tear and tape adhesive, let's go ahead and center our narrow strip of Argyle. But then on the opposite side, we're going to add our larger piece of Argyle. And you want to put this on so that the left, top, and right side have a small, very, very narrow, but equal gray border all the way around. Now you can go ahead and peel the release from your tear and tape and fold up your nugget holder. So you're gonna fold the back flap all the way down into the fold and then bring this together nice and square. You see that? Nice and square. Now you can take your bone folder again here and use your bone folder to burnish down this tear and tape. So get right in and go ahead and burnish that down. You can also burnish it down by just flattening out and rub. Now, for some stability, let's go ahead and add our nuggets. I like to do them so that they're blue, green, and then blue. Oh, so cute. It's really coming along, isn't it? Now, happy birthday to you. We're going to take some multi-purpose liquid glue and add our Here's to You greeting underneath. Let's go ahead and add some multi-purpose liquid glue to the center of our label. We'll adhere the label underneath happy birthday, but above the little stitches at the bottom. You are going to go over the tail of the Y, the little basement of the Y. Not a big deal. I'm going to adhere my happy birthday to you with dimensionals to the garden green starburst. Let's go ahead and pop that right in the center. Then we'll take that clip that we prepared and we're going to add that to the side of the circle, kind of overlapping our little Seaside spray label. How cool is this? All right, then I'm going to take some more dimensionals here. We're going to add them onto the box itself. Make a little triangle. I love treat boxes. I can use as many layers of dimensionals as I want, and the post office isn't even gonna get involved. Let's go ahead and adhere our circle to the treat. Now, I need some paper snips. We're going to fussy cut our little hat image here, and I'm going to fussy cut really close, almost on the line. There's my little hat all cut out. Let's trim up some dimensionals here. I'm going to get some kind of small pieces so we can get right underneath the brim of the hat. Do the best we can to support both ends here where it's kind of narrow. Then you can put one right in the center here, but go low because it's going to go over past the circles. Okay, our dimensionals are all sticky. Let's go ahead and add that little hat kind of at a fun, quirky angle. And there it is. Happy birthday. Here's to you. If you got any questions about the Extra Day Par-tay, the Well Dressed stamp set, celebration, if there's anything I can do to help you stay crafty, email Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com. And to shop 24/7, buzz over to marisaalvarez.stampinup.net. Thanks for watching.